Contact makes SMS text message integration fast and easy. If your call centre is sending or receiving text messages or SMS, Contact will improve both your customer service and your efficiency. Contact SMS is a hosted software solution that lets you know, prioritise and manage your SMS integration. It's easy to integrate with your existing system or CRM, or you can use it as a standalone system. Let me show you how Contact SMS integrates with your contact centre. So here we have the ticker. This gives you a brief overview of the system in real time. On the second line of the ticker we have the skills. The skills give you a way of assigning priorities to individual customers or text messages. Every agent is assigned a skill so that you can be safe in the knowledge that the most appropriate agent is dealing with the relevant messages. Within the queue management environment, the first thing I can do is to manage text messages in bulk. This means I can close volumes of text messages that do not need to be handled by an agent, or I can assign text messages to an individual agent. I can reassign skills or categorise them for reporting purposes. So I'll grab a message now, which takes me through to the message console screen. There are 4 areas within the message console screen, the first being the customer panel. Now what you can see here is that the agent is able to see a quick overview of the customer details. Sitting behind Contact is a fully integrated CRM system. If I drill down into the customer console, I'm able to see a much more detailed view. I'm also able to store unlimited customer contact details, so I could have multiple mobile telephone numbers for a customer, multiple email addresses, etc. We're also able to assign the customer to a group, which helps for reporting purposes, but also for segmentation and prioritisation. It also gives you the ability to send a broadcast to a customer group. Back in the message console now, the second critical part is the message history. In the message history, an agent is able to see all communications with that customer, and it also gives you as the manager the ability to view communications with the agents. The third part of the message console screen is the inbound message. As an agent, my typical workflow will be to pick up a text message, view the customer and decide how to process. Here you're able to categorise a text message for reporting purposes. You can then either reply, reassign the text message to another agent, or to close the text message. This brings us to the outbound message area. I can either type a text message in the outbound message editor, or I can select a predefined template. Templates are great because they allow you to define a standard language and set of responses for communications with your customers, which increases efficiency. Also in the inbound message, Contact allows you to manage communications across all channels. It may not be appropriate to tweet or SMS some information to a customer. It may need to be a bit more private. You're able to change the reply type in the outbound message before you send, which means that if an inbound tweet has come through from the customer, you are able to respond to that tweet with an email. So that was just a quick overview of how Contact SMS integrates with your contact centre. And we look forward to giving you a much more in-depth demo in person.